The Brave Little Dolphin Short Moral Story. In the vast ocean lived Danny, a little dolphin who was smaller than the others. One day, Danny saw a young turtle trapped in a fishing net. The other dolphins were afraid to help, fearing the humans nearby. Danny, though small, swam quickly to the turtle. Using his sharp teeth and determination, he carefully tore the net apart. The turtle was free and thanked Danny with a joyful splash. The other dolphins cheered, proud of Danny's courage. Moral: bravery isn't about size or strength. It's about doing the right thing, even when it's scary. Small acts can make a big difference. Thanks for watching.